I was minding my own business. I was on my way to get the boat so I could do a thing in the morning, right? But as I was driving, I rolled past some debris and I was like, let me get this. Let me get this real quick and just throw it in the back of the truck and take it to the station. No big deal. I just hope I don't get punished because you know the saying. You know how it goes. No good deed goes unpunished. Do y'all think I'm going to get punished for this? I hope not. But here's the thing. I got out to pick this up, but then I started seeing more on the sides of the roads. And I just couldn't leave it, so I had to go get it off the side of the road as well. And once I got across the street here, I looked down the road and there was another piece like way down the street. And I'm like, my eyes have seen it. I gotta follow through. Go ahead and grab it. But I tried to not to look anywhere else because I was done. I was done.